In the chapter DD, there are some important activities which usually come for exam. Among that, job application and resume is very important, which helps you to score marks very easily for the exam. Let us see the question in page number 95. Job application, resume. Study the following poster that tells about another initiative called Teach for India by Sahin Mistry. It's an advertisement seeking volunteers to teach the children in low income areas. If you were to apply for this vacancy, what would you write in your application and resume? You can see a poster there. Before you start writing, go through the templates of a cover letter and a resume given below. Let us see how to prepare a cover letter. It starts with your street address. Second step is date. Third, the name and address of the person to whom you are sending the letter. Contact name, contact title or designation, company name and address you can write there. Then fourth step is salutation. Dear madam or sir. Then in the fifth you can see the content of the letter, that you can divide it in 3 paragraphs: opening paragraph, middle paragraph and closing paragraph. In the opening paragraph, it clearly states why you are writing, name the position or type of work you are exploring, and where applicable, how you heard about the person or organization, etc. In the middle paragraph or middle paragraphs, you can write why you are interested in this employer and your reasons for desiring this type of work. Be sure to do this in a confident manner and remember that the reader will view your letter as an evidence of your writing skill also. Here you can cite your work experience, your skills and abilities related to the job. In the closing paragraph, you can write the enthusiasm for using your skills to contribute to the work of this organization. Thank the reader for his or her consideration of your application. Then the sixth step is complimentary closing, that sincerely, and last, that is the seventh step, your name and signature. Let us see a model of this cover letter. We can read the question once more. Study the poster that tells about another initiative called Teach for India by Sahin Mistry. It's an advertisement seeking volunteers to teach the children in low income areas. If you were to apply for this vacancy, what would you write in your application and resume? Covering letter model. Already I told you, first name and address, that is your address, first step. Second one, it is the date of the letter. Then third, to whom you are writing the letter to. Address of the person to whom you are writing the letter to. Here it is Sahin Mistry, Teach for India, Mumbai. That is the third step. Then fourth step is salutation. Dear Sir. Then content of the letter. That in 3 paragraphs. That is the fifth step. With reference to your advertisement in Hindu dated I would like to apply for the post of teaching faculty in your institution. I have a passion for teaching. I am also interested in doing social service. Hence, I believe that it could be a pleasure for me to serve in your esteemed institution. As for my qualification, I have passed MA in English from Kerala University. I passed postgraduate diploma in English language teaching from CIEFL, Hyderabad. Moreover, I have 5 years of experience in the same field. I have enclosed my resume for your further consideration. Sir, I assure you, if selected, I will do my best for your entire satisfaction. Then complimentary closing, sincerely. Sixth step, name and designation. That's your own name and signature. That is the seventh step. So cover letter is over. You will get half marks of this question now. Let's see the resume now. These are the steps of making a resume. It starts with current address and permanent address. In between that you can write your name, email and phone number. Then first step is objective. Write your objective in one sentence. Education. Write your educational qualification in reverse chronological order. It's very important. You have to write it in reverse chronological order. List your qualification, your grades, name of the institution and the year in which you qualified. Then third one, experience. Write your professional experience, if any, in reverse chronological order. Write the name of the organization, your designation, the responsibilities you held in those organizations and the duration of your service. And the fourth one is activities. That is, write about your other activities like membership in various organizations, social activities, leadership activities and any other relevant activities that would support your resume. Next one is achievements. List out your achievements, awards, if any. Write only those which are relevant to the post applied for. Then you can write skills. Write about your computer or technical or other skills required for the job. Then languages. List the languages that you know and mention whether you are fluent in reading, writing and speaking them. Interests. List your hobbies, interests which would tell something about your personality. Be honest and don't write something just to impress your employer. See the model of resume. Starts with the address, phone number, email ID, etc. If there are different addresses for you, you can write it the like permanent address and current address. Then name objective in one sentence. Nurture the talent and cognition of each student, aiming at their overall development and mold them as nice citizens. Education qualification, that I told you to write it in reverse chronological order, means 2007 to 2009. Then comes 2005 to 2007, 2002 to 2005, 2000, like that. That is reverse chronological order. You can write your degree, from which university, and how many percentage of marks you got. That all you can write. Experience, that also in reverse chronological order, like that. 2012 first, 2010 next, 2009 then. That also you can write the activities. Member ELT Journal Committee, District Coordinator ASAP. Achievements, participated in seminar, like that you can write there. Third rank holder in PG in Kerala University. If you have some achievements, you can write the skills. Good at ICT, integrated ELT for beginners, writing poems, skills. Then languages, English, Malayalam, Hindi and Tamil can speak. If you can write, you can write that also. Interest, social service and reading novels. Then next 50% mark is there for you. Thank you.